Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to remove and install SIM card on your Galaxy A6, as you can see right here. So let's power it on. Make sure the phone is completely off. You need to turn it off when you install and remove SIM card. And your SIM tray is going to be on the right side right here. There's a little hole on the left side, I mean. So you stick your SIM tray puller, you click inside, and here it is, it comes out. So make sure the phone is completely off. So it shows the SIM card goes into the top from the screen, and then here's your memory card, goes on top, and you just slide it down, both them, and power device. Okay. Wait until it's gonna come up. And you can go to storage and then see your SIM card is there, and then you can see SD card just appeared, and then you can see the SIM card also, it's looking for the service. So to remove it, you have to do the same thing, power device off, and then stick it in again, your SIM card or something thin enough to remove it, and then you pull it out, turn around, it's gonna come out, and you can stick everything back in the same tray, same way as you pulled it out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.